What is a leader and how do you become one? Although society tends to give the leader title to individuals specifically responsible for managing the work of others, the truth is that that interpretation of a leader is overly simplistic and extremely outdated. In fact, each and every one of you are capable of phenomenal leadership feats, regardless of your job title and where you may be in your organizational structure. The trick to becoming a successful leader truly comes down to knowing what your unique leadership skills are and how and when to use them. In this thought-provoking and extremely entertaining workshop, seasoned business strategist, media personality, and accomplished author, me, Alex Tremble, will provide you with the tools you need to identify your unique skills, know how and when to use those unique skills, and build the confidence to use those skills to help you and your organization reach its goals. So, if you feel like you or your organization's employees can benefit from knowing how to leverage unique skills and abilities to reach levels of success you've only dreamed of, then wait no longer. Visit alextremble.com today to book me to speak at your next workshop, team meeting, conference, or other work event. As always, stay strong, stay positive, and definitely stay moving.